Hello, my name is Jessica Lorena Roa. I'm a student of Master of Applied Artificial Intelligence. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a web form with a database. In this case, I will use MySQL. So first of all, I download the SAMP control panel, which is a web server. So I have the web server on my computer. So this is the form. This is how it looks like. And I'm going to show you how I create it. So I use HTML to create the form. So to beautify the form, I'm using Bootstrap version 5, 5.123. Here this is the title of the page. My page will all users. So here is the first part of the form. So here I'm using the action will be user PHP dot PHP. I will explain later what is PHP. The method is post. So I would like to get the information that the user input and post in the database. Okay, so the first information that I ask is the name. So here the name is composed of two parts: the title, which is could be Mr., Mrs., Miss, whatever, and the name. So we have to check if the input that the user write is correct. So we will do it here. So for example, for the name, we are using type text. So it should be text. If the user input any number, it will be wrong. So the input won't be sent to the database. And also we create this. We ask for the user to input and is as required. So they must write the name. So we do the same with every information that we ask, and we are just changing what type of data is. So for example, age should be a number. So we write here the type is a number and it's required. So it's same with any of this. We have here email. So this data should be with an at, otherwise it will be sent. Okay, so we had for phone the same number, and finally we had two buttons. One is submit and the other one is reset. So this is how the web page was created. So now we are using PHP. Here we just write which information we are to taking from the user, from the form. And then we use PHP just to create the query. So we want to take the input and insert into the table. So here we create that query. So we say insert into user. User will be the table. We will insert title, full name, pass, age, email, and phone. Okay, so let's see how this works in practice. So for example, we will create one field. So I'm going to check that the input will be required. So if I try to submit, it will say me please fill out the form. So I cannot continue if I don't fill this. So I'm going to write my name. Okay. So if I try to submit, it will say for the next field that I need to fill it. So passport, let's say this number. Here, if I try to input any letter, it won't be allow me. So I cannot input a letter. It should be a number. So let's see this age. So for example, here we need an email. So if I just type my name and it say in submit, it will say please include at in the email. So if I write this and I check, okay, I need to input my phone number. So after that, I just need to submit. I say the user has been registered successfully. Okay, so we are checking if the input is in our table. So we have here the for table, it's called user. So if I just refresh this, it's here. So now I have a new field with all the information that I just typed. So thank you for so much for watching.